I have the worst lighting ever and my camera's gonna die. But I wanted to do this, so I'm sorry for the lighting. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm severely depressed. And I'm not even joking about it. Like, my depression like really is fucking kicking my ass this month, hence why I don't feel very Halloween-y. I've been feeling really shitty about myself. I don't know, so I just randomly came up with this idea in all of my depression to go through my stash. And I'm actually, you guys see the title of the video, I'm gonna be de-stashing my life. I'm only going to keep like 5 of each item because I feel like maybe even like 4 of each item, depending on, I feel like 5 is a good number though, of each thing that I have, because I have a lot. Like, I have a lot. And I actually just recently de-stashed this, and I have some stuff saved for a giveaway. Mainly, I want to do this because I'm tired of having a stash, and I'm tired of having stashes, and I feel like it's kind of useless. I feel like there are a lot of other places, especially here in Connecticut, women's shelters and stuff, that could use it a lot more than I could. I usually, whenever I have extra things, give it to my friends and my family, but I feel like this time I just want to give it away to somebody that's actually going to use it. I know, especially for the holidays every year, my church personally that my family belongs to, they do a lot of stuff for people that are less fortunate and stuff, and I kind of want to do that too this year. So I don't know, I'm just feeling like I really want to declutter things, and I feel like maybe it'll make me feel a little bit better with all of my like shit going on in my head. So with that being said, we're just gonna jump right in. My camera's at 15%, so hopefully we can get through this video. What the hell was that? That sounded like someone was opening the bathroom door and nobody's there. See, I have ghosts in my house, but we're not gonna talk about that. This is all separated by sections in this box that I have in my closet. Dry shampoo, lotion, there is body wash, body scrub, hair products, hairspray, shampoo, conditioner, hair treatments, my watermelon loofahs. So we're just gonna, oh, and also sunscreen. So I think I'm gonna try and keep 5 of each thing. I think that's a good number. Like I said, Gooby is sniffing the camera. So if you see a little kitty whisker, it's her. See, there she is. So we're gonna start off with lotion. First things I have in here are like 3 of these hand food hand creams because I'm obsessed with them from Soap and Glory. Again, I'm sorry for the lighting, but this is an impromptu video and I feel like I want to do this, so fuck you. Actually, one of them I've been using because it has my name on it because I used to have this at work so I can hydrate my hands, so I think I'm actually going to put this one in my work bag so I can always have it with me. These other 2, I feel like I just have a lot. Like, I have one up here, I have one here. I think I'm going to give 1 away because I don't need 2 of them, and every time I go to Target, like, I stock up. Like, this is my favorite hand cream of all time. It's called the Soap and Glory Hand Food Hydrating Hand Cream scented with Call of Fruity, which is like one of my favorites of life. So if you need a good hand cream, moisturizing, the whole 9 yards, you get dry skin like me, amazing, amazing, amazing. So I'm gonna put that pile like right here, and the pile of things I'm keeping like next to me. Okay, so as far as lotions, I have this Human and Kind body souffle, which is vegan and cruelty free. To be honest, most of you guys know I'm trying to use a lot more like natural products. I want to get pregnant in a few years, so I think I am gonna keep this for myself because I would like to be as healthy as possible. Next, we have a couple of the Victoria's Secret Twist of Watermelon, which again, this is some of the products that have supposedly that ingredient that causes miscarriages. Since it is watermelon, I think I am going to end up keeping one, but I will give one away because I know this is probably like a limited edition thing, but I mean, it's just a lotion, whatever, life goes on. So we're going to give one of those away. We're going to keep one. And I have the Bath & Body Works one. This one actually Christina gave to me for my birthday, so I'm obviously going to keep it. It is the Aromatherapy Vanilla and Patchouli Natural Essential Oils Body Cream because like your girl needs to calm down. So we're gonna keep this one. I haven't used it yet and I want to. The Bombshells and Bloom lotion, which I feel like I had one and then I got rid of it. I don't know. It's still good. I've never opened it before, so I think I'm actually going to give it away because I have a lot of lotion as it is. Speaking of lotion, I have a Lush. I bought this last year around the Christmas time. It's the Christingle body conditioner that has spearmint in it. Oh wait, peppermint, menthol crystals, all that kind of stuff. And it's going to actually expire next month, so I'm going to definitely keep this so I can use it because I've been bad about that. Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream that I've been wanting to try, so I'm keeping this for myself. Don't know why I buy these things. I have an equate body oil gel. I thought like, I was thinking like summer, like, ooh, pretty, but I do genuinely love the Vaseline Cocoa Radiant stuff. I love Vaseline lotion. It's really, really good. Don't think I'm going to use this, so I am going to pass it along to someone else that may be able to. I have a couple of these dollar store. One of them doesn't even have a label because it came with like a double label on it. I don't know, it was weird. This is a coconut shea butter scented body wash, which smells really, really nice. And then I have, this is the one my mom and my sister use all the time. It's the tropical scented one. I think I'm going to keep tropical scented and give away the coconut because coconut smells really good. Okay, I need to separate this by sections. Okay, next we have the Hawaiian Tropic After Sun Moisturizer. I repurchased it because mine was gross, so I'm gonna keep this because I love this lotion in the summer. It's really, really nice. I also have a couple tanners. See which one's the newer one because I will give that one away. This one's the new one, so I'm gonna give away one of these. It's the Banana Boat Summer Color Tanner. You guys know I love to use Method Foaming Body Wash in Cucumber Mint, which I got from Rennie's recently, and I do plan on using this. And apparently this is supposed to be like, I don't know, I feel like paraben-free, biodegradable, never tested on animals, so I feel like this would be really good for me, so I'm gonna keep it. And then I have another extra bug spray, which, I mean, if anyone is dealing with that Triple E bullshit, one of these already in my bag, and I have another one, so I am gonna keep this though, just in case of emergencies, because we don't fuck with that Triple E shit. Kula sunscreens. I have one from when I was used to work at my last center that I used to put on my face and on my body and stuff when I would go outside with the kids, so I'm definitely gonna be keeping this because I want to use it again. And then I have two more of them. I have a giant size, which is unscented, and then another one which is the same scent as the one that I am currently using, so I'm gonna give this one away because it smells really nice and I really love the Kula sunscreens. I think they're really, really great, and I'm gonna keep the giant one for myself. Moving on to more body stuff, we have the Sol de this is mine, I'm sorry. I've been wanting to try this forever. I was so excited to get it in my FabFitFun box, so I'm definitely keeping this one. I specifically only bought this because it was watermelon. The Double Trouble Kids 2-in-1 shampoo and body wash, which is watermelon. Your girl's gonna keep it because I love watermelon. I'm also gonna be keeping the Beach Girl because I haven't used this yet, and that actually works out perfectly because I have 5 body washes, so 4 or 5 lotions. That worked out well. Okay, next I have, this is like one of my favorite things ever, is the John Frieda Frizz Ease Secret Weapon Touch-Up Cream, which is so good. Don't use this, so I'm gonna give it away to somebody else. And then not only that, we also have, another. So I have this bug spray. I don't know when this expires. It has an expiration date on it. I am totally not sure. Since I did find this big one, I am gonna give away this tiny one to somebody else because that's a lot of bug spray. And then we have the I don't know how to say this, leave-in conditioner, which I'm all about leave-in conditioners, and I do want to try this one, so I'm gonna keep. I love using these as heat protectants, but I honestly haven't been using them as heat protectants, so I'm gonna give one of these away. This is the Herbal Essence Naked Sheer Shine Mist. I love this. It makes your hair super, super shiny, and it was only $1.99 at Rennie's. Vita Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. I'm gonna keep this because I just recently got this as well, and I do want to try it out. And for another hair product, I have, oh my gosh, I used to love, me and Danielle were obsessed with this in high school, the Bedhead After Party, because we always said like, oh, it's like a, you guys know I have innuendos. I have my mind's in the gutter. You know what I mean. The little mini one, I remember getting 2 of them. One of them I am actually going to be giving away to you guys in an upcoming giveaway, so stay tuned for that. I do like this stuff and I do want to use it again, so I'm keeping this one since I'm getting rid of the Frizz Ease. Now we're on to some scrubs. I recently got the exfoliating sugar scrubs in my FabFitFun, so I'm going to keep this scrub. Melon Mixer Sugar Scrub, which I really want to try out. Watermelon. This is the Champagne Charcoal Scrub, which I was really excited to try out. Tried to pop open a little bit. I think I'm going to give this one away. I'm definitely going to give away this scrub because it looks like a really nice scrub for somebody. And I already have like a shit ton of scrubs, like hello. Because I do have my 2 Soap and Glory ones. Yep, I still have not used yet. So hi guys. Hi, how are ya? Here we are. Definitely gonna keep those because I like those. My mom told me about this. The L'Oreal Elvive Total Repair 5 Protein Recharge Leave-In Conditioner for damaged hair. So I kind of want to try it, but I'm also nervous because I feel like yellow products make my hair look yellow. But it's literally just like the Damage Erasing Balm, which you guys know I'm obsessed with. I love that one to death. I'm gonna keep you because I want to try you out still, but I'm nervous. So we'll just... Next we have a Not Your Mother Beach Babe Texturizing Salt Spray. I still have my Tarte one that I use occasionally. So since I'm not really a big sea salt kind of person spray, fun fact, I am going to give this away because I just don't use them that often and they don't really like how they make my hair feel. We have another leave-in. This is Frizz Control Leave-In Soothing Argan Oil Smooths and Protects from Salon Selectives, which is apparently supposed to be really good from the dollar store, so I'm going to give this away too because I already have a few of those. All right, now you guys, I still have not used my Nicole Guerrero stuff and I feel like an a-hole about it, so I've decided I'm actually giving away a set of these to you guys in an upcoming giveaway. They're still going to be good, so there's no worries about that. But I am going to be keeping one set for myself because now I realize that it was kind of excessive to buy all 3 scents that she had because I don't use conditioner and shampoo that often, only once a week. I'm going to give away the Midnight Kisses because it's more of like a, I like ice berry. Alrighty, and then you guys know I just got the Rock Your Hair. I literally just got it, so I hope this stuff, I don't even know how this smells. Oh, it smells pretty good. I think I'm going to keep the Rock Your Hair. This is for Color Protect. It's Moisture Madness, but I always need that in my hair because my hair is always dry, so I'm going to keep these. And then we have the Pure Silk Tea Tree Oil and Mint Shampoo and Conditioner, which I think I'm going to give away because I don't think I'm going to use these anytime soon, but they do seem really, really good. It moisturizes, nourishes, and refreshes. And then next here we have an Aussie Restoring Headstrong Volume Hairspray with maximum hold, and then a Tresemme hairspray, which you guys know I got this for Christmas in that box Danielle got me. I'm not really a big Tresemme person, to be honest, and it's a 4, which is extra hold. I'm not an extra hold kind of girl. I am going to give this one away and just keep the Aussie because I believe I bought this, I don't remember. It's not that long ago, but I remember I did buy this, so I'm going to keep this one for me. So many of these, like, it's like an issue. It's like every time I go to the dollar store, I have to pick one of these up. So I have 3 of these in here. I am going to give 2 of these away because, again, I have a lot of, like, leave-in stuff already. So this is the Daily Defense Frizz Defense Deep Conditioner with Coconut Oil, and then we have the Argan Oil Hair Treatment from Salon Selectives, which are some of my favorites. So I'm going to definitely be, actually, I'm going to put one here, and I think I'm going to give one of these away to you guys because I really love this stuff a lot, and I think it's really, really good. I actually got these from the dollar store as well. I've never used them. These are Color Star Glowing Blonde Protects Color, provides shine, moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. They smell really good. I just don't think I'm going to be using them because I use my purple and blue shampoos and then whatever. Now I'm using a blue conditioner still. I'm using my Matrix stuff. Brass Off, shout out to my cousin. Still love that stuff a lot, and my mask and all that stuff, so I don't really need these. So they're gonna go away as well. I have 2 of these. You guys watched the haul. I thought these were both shampoo and a conditioner. They're both shampoos. Bedhead Moisture Maniac Moisturizing Shampoo and Self-Absorbed Mega Nutrient Shampoo. So I think I'm gonna give away the Self-Absorbed Shampoo and keep the moisture because my hair is very dry because I bleach it. And we're back. My camera literally just died as I'm getting to like the last few things. So we're just going to go through this really quickly. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 Batiste dry shampoos. Most of you guys know, if you have followed me for a long time, I love stocking up on these at Ulta during Black Friday because they're like buy one get one free, and that means your girl buys 5 and then she gets 5 for free. So fuck yeah, we're doing that. So that's why I have so many, and I use dry shampoo like daily during the week since I only wash my hair once a week. I used to condition it during the week as well, but I kind of stopped doing that because I just, like, it's good to do, but I've just been very lazy with it, I'll admit. So I have 3 of the Batiste Neon. Oh, the packaging is like all different on these. It says new limited edition. This one says Neon Vibrant and Fruity, and then the other one says Neon Lights Pomegranate and Jasmine, but they're all basically the same scent. And then I have one of the Strength and Shine ones, which I like too. I'm keeping all these because I need them. I genuinely do need these like so badly. I also have this dry shampoo, which was on clearance at Walmart for $3. It's the Organics Tea Tree Mint Dry Shampoo. So I haven't tried this one. I got it for $3, so I bought it. I also have 2 of my watermelon sponges. I love these. I stocked up on them for that reason, and I think I'm just going to be a little selfish and not give one of these away because I'm already giving one away to you guys, and I don't want I love my sponges. I love them, okay? I just love them so much. If you guys would like to see, this is from right here. This whole section right here is the stuff I'm keeping, and this all right here in this little pile is all that I'm giving away, hopefully to a women's shelter or something along those lines. I still haven't completely looked into it because I just came up with this video idea off the top of my head. I feel really good. I'm really proud of myself, and I do want to do this with like my skincare stuff and maybe like my makeup that I have stocked up. I really, like, I keep saying, and I've been saying it for years, but now that I'm like going to be 27 years old, I feel like I don't want to stock up on shit all the time, and if I need it, I'll just buy it. Like, it was nice in the beginning for like years because I'm not gonna lie, I do have like tendencies to keep things, like to like hold on to them, and I'm not going to use the word because it might trigger some people out there. I do have the tendency to like want to stock up on products and just always have products with me. And like you guys saw when I had my first stash video like years and years ago, I was all about that. Like, yes, have a stash because it makes life so much easier. And yes, it may make life easier if you buy like 2-3 at a time, just to, you know, make sure you always have like that certain product. When it gets to be like this, or it was actually a lot worse before, to be completely honest, it's too much and it's not worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more of me like decluttering, destashing, and my skincare stash or my makeup stash, let me know down below. I think I did a really good job, to be honest, because there are a few things in here that are like leave-in products that, let's see, actually, let's go through. If you guys remember the beginning of the video, I said that I wanted to keep at least like 4 or 5 of each item. So I think I may have done that, which I'm really excited about. So we have right here my leave-in hair products. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. All of these are leave-in. Then over here we have scrubs and all of my like scrub cubes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. And then for other hair products back here, we have 1, 2, 3. And then if we keep going back here, lighting's terrible. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which I think is awesome. And then for shampoos, we have 1, 2, like set. I'm counting these by sets, by the way. We've got like 1, 2, and 3 with the shampoo. Hand cream, I just have 1. And then lotions over here, even though 1 is for like summer, but whatever. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. And then 1 bug spray, 3 like sun care items. Of course, they're all in my lap, but I have 5 dry shampoos. So I think we've done a really good job. I'm really happy. Probably should have tried to do less, but I'm just still in that mindset a little bit of trying to hold on to stuff, but also trying to get rid of things because I'm over it. On this box from when I moved, this is the same box I've had everything in since I moved in here. So it's gonna be nice to put everything in like a small box and just keep it in my closet. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, if you want to see more like this in the future, other videos, like I want to do like cooking videos and like show you guys how I make like crock pot meals, because I'm really getting into doing that this fall and winter and trying to be more of a wife, because I've been like kind of not, like kind of shitty, I feel like. I don't know. I've always girl basically sets a lot of high standards for herself and then gets anxious and freaks out when she can't meet them. So I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed. Turn on bell post notifications so you know when I post a new video. And I will see you guys in my next one. And thank you for always being there for me.